Alrighty guys, welcome back to another trade recap video. Today, two break-even trades. I know a lot of you who are in the live stream, shout out Kevin. Kevin, if you're watching this, you passed an account today. Super proud of you. You're about to pass in a second account as well. So yeah, big things coming for you. Big things coming for a lot of the members in the Discord. Link down below if you guys still aren't in that Discord. Link is down below for that. Live trade every single morning. A lot of free good sauce is dropped in those videos. So yeah, getting into it. Didn't necessarily want to take shorts too much just because we are in a bullish market, as we see. Once we did sweep out this low right here, bullish market. If we drop it down on the hourly time frame, we see that we tap this hourly order block. We also basically just rebalanced this range already. So we had already rebalanced this range to equilibrium. I was going to be patient though, just because we did still have this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. We had already tapped into this bearish fair value gap. So it necessarily wasn't something that we hadn't tapped into yet, didn't know how we would react. We already had tapped into it. So market open happens right here, 9:30 a.m., and it's straight bullish order flow. First presented fair value gap never even gets touched on NQ. And from here, it's basically just staying patient. We didn't force a trade. Hopefully none of you guys did as well, but it was just all about staying patient. There was nothing here. We had to be patient. I ended up taking this was my first break-even trade. 30-second inverse right here. I got in like right here or something. 30-second inverse right here, and this was a break-even trade. I went break-even once we took out this internal low right here, break-even trade. And then we kind of just chopped around. And then we did end up flushing to this unfilled 15-minute gap. And this is, what I wanted to see happen for long continuation. So we come into this 15-minute gap. We put in this internal SMT right here. We have a 2-minute inverse, A+ setup. I take this and I go break even once we take out this internal high. I just want to see straight follow through. That's what we do. We're coming on, this internal high. Ultimately, this is my draw up here. I'd, of course, watch how price reacts, but, that is the main draw on liquidity for this trade. And, we end up coming to this break-even high, and we edge it. I'm already break-even at this point, and we get break-even stopped, and then price runs to full TP. So, yeah, love to see that. But, it happens. What are you going to do about it? Took my model, saw my model present itself. There wasn't really a reason for me to sit in this trade any longer when we're already up about a 1-to-1 risk to reward. That's definitely a place for me to go break even at. So not mad about that trade whatsoever. And then we also had this trade. This was around 11 a.m. I thought that 11 a.m. would just send us higher. Resweep right here, bullish order flow, simple inversion here. Took this, went break even before 11 a.m. in case we were going to do some fuck shit. And what do you know happens? We chop around and we don't take out this. So break even day. Nothing really too much else to be said about it. We executed inside of our entry model. We followed our rules, and it was a break-even day. We're protecting capital, and that's honestly all that matters. So hopefully you guys can stay the same. Maybe some of you guys even caught some wins today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.